Welcome to video number 1. It is about discovering ourselves in nature. Imagine yourself in a cinema, watching a movie. The movie is about life and death, and it is totally exciting. You are catched by the movie. You lost yourself. And now we jump out of the seats from the cinema into the movie. And we find ourselves back in nature, our new theater. We are the actor. We are not in our seats anymore. And in this movie, there was this alert attention, this consciousness. And in this way, we look around in nature and we perceive what is there. We look around and we watch the trees in a way as if we have never seen them before. And we stay conscious and alert, and we just focus on our perception. While doing this, we also experience the one who's watching. As we are totally alert and conscious, this happens automatically. And so we continue being aware of who we are and of what we are seeing. And we become also aware of the noises from the trees dancing in the wind. And also the birds singing from different directions in the sky. And at the same time, we have the attention in ourselves. Totally awake and alert, we continue to focus on our perception only. Doing this, we are really in the movie. And now, let us jump out again into the seats of the cinema to reflect what happened right now. It was our decision to step into life, to discover, to explore what is about consciousness. And it is your decision to continue with this. And I invite you to do this conscious perception every day for the next few days. The best thing, you go out in nature. But if it is not possible, just go in a park in the city, or at least watch a tree in front of your office building. I am curious to hear from you what you experienced. And I'm also looking forward to our next video.